everybody, it's your girl Michelle. Okay, let's get into this beautiful wig from Nadula Hair. So here is the wig, y'all. It's a 13x4 pre-everything. This wig did not come with baby hair, as you can see. And look at the lace. She has been pre-bleached and pre-plucked and pre-styled. I went ahead later on and plucked a little bit more to customize my hairline. But here's a quick inside of the cap. This particular wig was a 13x4. And look at these curls. These curls are so juicy. Man, let me tell you how mad I was. I washed the curls out. I lost the curls and it took me forever to get them. I had to find them, child. The lace was invisible lace, right? So it melts already. Like you didn't even have to tint it. I don't know why I did that. I actually made the tint too dark. You'll see that later on. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna adjust my elastic strap and I'm putting on this beautiful wig.
Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two.
So depending upon how you parted the wig, you would get a different kind of style, like this money piece that's in the front. So I went in with some wax. I'm gonna go ahead and use my straightening comb and just press the hairline back.
So sweet, talk until we asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah.
This is a put on and go glueless lace wig, okay? So the premise is that it has these it has this lace tape that's on the inside on the ear flaps. Well, when I washed the wig and I washed all the beautiful curls out, I washed off the tape. But lucky for me, it came with additional tape so I could put it back.
Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. Sweet, so sweet, talk until we asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Sweet, but I still want you, I do.
So let's go ahead and get into the styling. I am using a ton, okay? A lot of heat protecting spray because I'm about to put this wig through the fire, all right? For real, for real. So I have my curling iron and this is a T3 and it gets insanely hot. So I just knew it was gonna get the job done, all right? I've been doing my preacher curls. I was ready. My arms were ready, biceps, let's go. I started curling my hair and I'm watching my show. I think I was watching Love Island. And the curls did not want to hold. Now I was using my holding spray and I didn't spray too much of the heat protecting spray, so I could not figure out what was going on. So I went ahead and I used smaller barrel curling iron to see if maybe that was the issue. And this time I pinned my curls up. I let each curl cool down and then when I was done with my full head, I let the curls down. Now you want to talk about tired? I was tired, all right? I worked for this hairstyle, so I was ready. I was ready for it to be cute. Look at these curls. I said, what? Child. It was like I didn't do nothing, which is okay because these curls were not set correctly, and I'll tell you why in a second. But the hair still came out really, really cute. It gave a nice soft wave. And you can really see those highlights and it just looked beautiful, but it wasn't the style that I was going for. I wanted those juicy, bouncy curls that came, like the wig came, because it came pre-styled, right? I wanted to honor that.
Me late at night saying you need a ride when you don't tell me why.
So this is my second attempt. So this is something that I learned from a professional and they told me that usually when you're using a larger barrel, you have to hold the curl for closer to 1 to 2 minutes for each curl. See, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. I was doing 30, 60 seconds at the most. But the second time I did it the correct way and that's how I got these gorgeous, gorgeous curls. And I was having so much fun with it, girl. Look at them bounce. So I'm combing it out just a little bit. I'm not trying to lose a single curl at all. And this is my finished look.
Baby, 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 baby. Now don't be dumb. No, don't be dumb. Ooh.
Thank you so much, Nadula Hair, for sending me this beautiful wig. And thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions about the wig, I'm gonna go ahead and put all the information in the description box below. Bye! Nadula.